How do you avoid toxins when cleaning your home? When washing your clothes? Yeah, good question actually. As far as washing the home, I can't stand doing it because you would pretty much never do it in nature. If I do, then what do you use? I think Luna chooses it. I'm not quite sure.
Baking
Baking
soda,
soda, which is not that terrible.
cleaning
It doesn't
vinegar.
release those toxic fumes that you gotta breathe in.
Baking soda? No.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't.
No, right. Oh,
Yeah,
cleaning
compared to the typical
cleaning
commercial stuff.
vinegar you can also use.
Cleaning vinegar you can also use. Yeah, also good point.
And for the washing nuts.
Yeah, for the washing nuts, you can look into that. That's probably the best thing. Back home, the last few years in Germany, I used baby washing powder. At least it doesn't have all the how the stuff. It's all the shit essentially. When you compare the baby powder to the one sold for adults, it has way less stuff in it. It's not gonna smell toxic. The toxic nice flower smell, like that's what they promote. It's terrible. I hate it. It doesn't smell nice at all. But that's what the commercials say. That's how they portray it. Like it's this great smell.